All right, guys, Mr. Lorden here. Not quite sure if I'll be in tomorrow, still not feeling the best, but I'm just going to make this video, a little directions video in case I'm not there. Chances are kind of feeling like I'm not going to be there, but so for today, what you guys are doing is this web quest. You're just going to be going through kind of this little sheet right here, and there'll be some different links on the sheet that you'll click on, and you'll read through those kind of different links to help answer the questions. I cannot stress this enough that you make sure to click File and make a copy of this sheet right here. That way you'll be able to type in your own answers, and you'll not mess up the main copy. I don't know if you can mess up the main copy or not, but just making sure. So here's the deal. It's going to come up as a doc. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to open it up as a Google Doc. That way you'll be able to click File and make a copy and have your own. So now that we're here on the Google Doc, also makes it easier to upload into Google Classroom. Make sure the first step, File, make a copy, and then you'll have your own. But it is pretty simple. Here's what the whole sheet looks like. There's a couple links, just 2 links that you have to click on to kind of answer some questions. So the first one, it says the link for the first 12 questions is right here. So you have these 12 questions. They'll go with this link. So you just click on the link, and it'll bring up a little article online. You read through the article, scan through the article, and you're just trying to find the answers to the first 12 questions with that link. Then we move down here, and you'll click, there's a new link for the last few questions, so you'll just click on that link. It'll bring you up a new web page, and then you'll just read through it, scan through it, and answer the last few questions and the fill in the blank here on the different explorers. And this whole thing is kind of looking at more of the explorers rather than the groups that were being infected or impacted. We'll look maybe another group later this week, but for now we're just going to focus on the explorers. And then down here, the age of exploration questions. They're kind of opinion based, so just kind of read this little excerpt here and then just answer the last 2 questions. And once you're done, like I said, just submit it on Google Classroom and you should be good to go. Again, feel free to work with groups, feel free to work with a partner or alone, whatever floats your boat, and just make sure you get all the questions answered. Hopefully you answer them correctly, and then just submit it on Google Classroom and you're done for the day. That's it, guys. And again, I'm going to try my best to for sure be back on Wednesday. But for today, just kind of get through this bad boy with your groups, and I'll see you guys later this week. Have a good one, and good luck working.